Welcome back. Let's get started. Now you need to determine the angle of the legs as well as their length. I'm really struggling with getting the angles correct, so I need to continue to use my observation skills and, of course, my measurement skills to problem solve during this point. Now I need to determine how long the talons are. So I'm going to start at the end of the leg, make a measurement mark on my paper ruler, and then where the talon ends. Now I'm bringing over the measurement to my drawing. But now it's important to look at my reference photo and really pay attention to all the lines and details of the talon. Now I need to determine how long the talon is on the other side of the leg. So I'm going to mark on two spots where the leg begins and then where the talon ends. Make sure to put the measurements on my drawing, and then I'm going to once again use my observation skills, really study that reference photo so I can get all the lines correct. Now it's time to determine the placement of the eye and the width and height of the eye. I'm lining up the edge of the top of the beak and making a tick mark with my pencil, and then also where the eye begins and then the eye ends. Once I've determined the length and the width of the eye and the placement of the eye. It's really important. Go back to your observation skills, really study that photo, and get the circle correct. Now we're done with the basic proportions to make this bird look realistic in nature. So now it's time to go back to the photo, really study the details of the lines, the curves in the bird. Once you get those done, then we're going to erase some of the lines that we've created to make sure that the proportions are correct. The purpose of this assignment was not only to draw in proportion and learning the skills to do that, but also observation skills, really looking at those reference photos and making sure that you're drawing accurately. The next time you draw a bird, we're going to work on lots of detail. The bird will be of your choice, and I can't wait to see your progress. Don't forget to turn in those sketches.